this is Harry Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this I'm going to show you how you can set up your Bluetooth mouse to your iMac computer. Normally when you hit the button it could detect the mouse. In case the mouse is not detected, what can you do? So here is my Apple mouse. So the mouse is off. I leave the mouse here and we'll go to the computer. Go to the Apple option here, you see, hit this one. The second option, system preference, if your mouse is not detected. Here you see the mouse option, hit this one. Set up Bluetooth mouse. So you can set up any mouse with this option if you have Apple mouse or other Bluetooth mouse. Hit this one. You can see the available mouse will appear here. Now I come to my mouse, here we go, and we have to activate or we have to start this mouse. Here we go. So you see the green light, the mouse is started here. And we go to the computer, let's see what happened with the mouse, is detecting or not. It still is searching. It may have, you see, not connected. I click this one and I hit done button. Let's move the mouse. You see here, you see some option is connected. The mouse and reference how you can use the Bluetooth mouse is appear. You can see the battery level of mouse here, the option and all that. So it's working fine guys, without any problem. Close this one and that's all. So this is the way you connect your Apple mouse or Bluetooth mouse to your iMac computer. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.